How to log into Chase Bank online. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the very top, you're gonna see the search box. Type in Chase login and then search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, chase.com. Open it. You'll be directed to the official website of it. Now at the right corner, you're gonna find the login section. From here, you can easily get access to your account. All you have to do is provide the credentials. First up, go ahead and type in your username. Then type in the password. If you want to save your login info, check in for the option of Remember Me. In the case you have forgotten your password or username, click on this option to recover it. After you provide all the details, click on Sign In, and with that you'll be logged into your account. In the case you don't want to use the password, you can click on the option of Use Token and use it. Well, that's a wrap for this video. This is how you can easily log into Chase Bank online. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.